Excuse me. Can I just say something?
There he is.
Stone, what are you doing here?
Getting himself arrested, Mayor Dewey, because he broke into the mall.
I love it. Now you go to jail and marry big smelly man.
Stone, you screwed up for the last time. That 10-year sentence I promised you starts tonight.
Please, just let me speak for 1 second.
Are those tears in his eyes? Fine.
Let the guy talk. After all, it is the holidays.
She's right. And then we'll send him up the river.
Okay,
Mrs. Sullivan.
go ahead, Mr. Stone. Let's hear your parting words of wisdom.
I know you people don't like me. I know you don't care about my opinion, but here goes. Tommy, nothing personal, but Whitey Duvall should have won the patch tonight, and you people are crazy for not realizing that.
Why would we give Whitey Duvall the patch? So he could use it as a blanket?
That's the reaction I thought I'd get.
Everyone in this room has been associated with Whitey either through basketball, the mall, or various odd jobs he does around town for free or at most $1. And I'm guessing 99% of you have either laughed in Whitey's face or ruthlessly made fun of his feet or voice or sister or shortness when he wasn't looking. But the next time you'd see him, he'd still go out of his way to smile and wave at you and ask you about your mother's operation or something like that because he, unlike us, actually cares about someone other than himself. The reason I bring this up to you is because I was the worst offender of all.
My life was simply going nowhere. Then a tiny little man rushed to my side. He should have gotten a big thank you. Instead he got a porta potty ride. I was such a shithead, but he never quit on me. Till I told him he was useless and his sister was freaky. Once when we were watching Sunday football, a fuzzy screen was all that we could see. Whitey came over with a hanger and spent the game atop of a TV. And when the lightning struck him, he let out a wicked loud yell. But we just turned up the volume and ignored the burning smell. We should all rot in hell.
I went to high school with Whitey. As a joke, I told him to meet me at the prom. When he got there, I said, I can't believe you thought I was serious. So he ran home crying and slow danced with his mom.
What a crushing blow to Whitey. I bet you wish you could take it back.
How could you all be so mean to Whitey? Sound to me like you are all on crack.
Tonight, Whitey was counting on this town to show that we care. But the first time he really needed us, we weren't there. And on Christmas Eve and the last night of Hanukkah,
It's just not fair.
Bitty, 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 bum, bum. Bum, bitty, 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 bum. Bum, bitty, 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 bum, bum. Bum, bitty, 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 bum.
I wonder if that guy ever wiped his ass with the wrong hand.
Yes.
Bum, bitty, 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 bum, bum. Bum, bitty, 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 bum. Bum, bitty, 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 bum, bum. Bum, bitty, 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 bum.
I'm so sorry they hurt you, Whitey. We should go to the mall. That thing
place always makes me feel better.
But it's closed.
Maybe the night guard forgot to lock the door again.
Well, if he didn't, we can at least sit in front of it. These are desperate times.